Firstly, a happy Republic Day to all of you. So coming back to the video, let's broadly look at the top performing flexicap funds since last few years and also compare the returns and risk parameters. And in the later part of the video, we'll try to understand that how will this fund perform in 2023 and which fund one should select. So please watch the video till the end. Hello everyone, I am Dhaval and welcome to my channel DIY Finance. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, then do subscribe to my channel, and if you already subscribed, then press the like button and also share this video with your friends. So now let's start the video. There are around 30 funds available in the flexicap category. So to filter out the funds and select the best funds, I have used the following criteria. The first one, AUM should be more than 500 crores. Second one, fund age should be at least 3 years. And the third criteria, funds rating should be 4-star or 5-star. These ratings are being provided by various rating agencies. So now let's look at the selected funds and its basic details. As evident in the table, 18 funds qualify the criteria and these funds are sorted alphabetically. Here, please note that all the fund uses Nifty 500 TRI or S&P BSE 500 TRI as its benchmark index. Out of these 18 funds, Parag Flexicap Fund is having an AUM of more than 28,000 crores, whereas HDFC Flexicap Fund and Kotak Flexicap Fund are having an AUM of more than 30,000 crores. If you see HDFC Flexicap Fund, Franklin India Flexicap Fund, Union Flexicap Fund, and IDFC Flexicap Fund are having an expense ratio of more than 1%, whereas PGIM India Flexicap Fund is having the lowest expense ratio of 0.37%. Now let's look at the returns generated by these funds. Here, instead of considering the trailing returns, I have considered the calendar returns for last 3 years. I feel that calendar returns provide a better understanding of the fund's return and also provide details about how consistent the fund is in its performance. Hence, I have taken data of last 3 calendar years. From the table, it is evident that ABSL Flexicap Fund, Axis Flexicap Fund, Edelweiss Flexicap Fund, HSBC Flexicap Fund, IDFC Flexicap Fund, Kotak Flexicap Fund, motilal Oswal Flexicap Fund, SBI Flexicap Fund, and Tata Flexicap Fund has not been able to beat its benchmark in 2 of the 3 calendar years. Hence, all these funds are being removed from the list, leaving with the 9 top performing flexicap funds. Now let's look at these 9 funds. Here one could see that the performance of UTI Flexicap Fund has been quite poor in 2022 and also its performance is not great in 2020 and 2021. But as it qualifies the criteria, it is not being removed from the list. But keep an eye on the performance of this fund in 2023. Here if you observe that the performance of Quant Flexicap Fund has been quite good in all the 3 years. So now let's check this fund's risk ratios. Here in the table, if you observe Canara Robeco Flexicap Fund, Parikh Flexicap Fund, PGIM India Flexicap Fund, Quant Flexicap Fund, and Union Flexicap funds are having good risk ratios, whereas for DSP Flexicap Fund and UTI Flexicap Fund, the ratios are quite poor. Also, Parikh Flexicap Fund is having the lowest standard deviation and the lowest beta. Here, Quant Flexicap Fund is having the highest mean return with a low standard deviation compared to its benchmark, which is quite good for a fund. Now let's look at the sector-wise allocation of this fund before selecting the top 3 funds. Here in the table, I have highlighted top 5 sectors of each fund, and as evident from the table, it is evident that almost all the funds have a overexposure in financial sector, which can lead to concentration risk, and this could be one of the reasons for almost all the funds have underperformed in 2022. After financial sector, the favorite sectors for these funds are technology and automobile. So now let's see which funds make to the top 3. Before concluding this video and selecting the top 3 funds, I would request all of you that as you have watched the video till now, it seems that the topic is of your interest, and hence I would request all of you to press the like button and show your love towards the video, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done till now to watch such interesting videos in future also. So now let's see the top 3 performing funds. In deciding the top 3 funds, I have not only considered the fund's returns or its risk ratios, but also consider the sector allocation and the stock pick in each sector. Hence, the top 3 selection is based on all these parameters. It is quite possible that your views may differ from my views regarding the top 3 picks, and that is absolutely fine. You may comment in the comment section which 3 funds should be in the top 3 list. So to start with, my first pick for 2023 would be Quant flexicap fund. My second pick would be Parikh flexicap fund. And my third pick would be PGIM India flexicap fund. Here, please note that RES6 funds are in no way bad, and if you are invested in it, you can always continue your investment, but keep an eye on its performance, especially for DSP flexicap fund and UTI flexicap fund. These top 3 funds of 2023 may not be the best funds for 2024, and this number game goes on changing. So looking at the top 3 funds, you should not make any changes in your investment. Here again, I would like to repeat that all the 9 funds are good performing funds, and there is no need to change these funds if you have in your portfolio. I have earlier done detailed review of most of these funds. You can find links in the description box and in the I button. Do watch these videos to get in-depth analysis of these funds. As quite a few people feel that the investment strategy of Quant fund house is not proper and are avoiding funds from this fund house. I respect their opinions and views, but I have selected the fund based on the data. What do you feel? Which fund should be in the top 3? Do share your views in the comment section. Considering your views and opinion, in my next video, I will do a detailed review of Parikh flexicap fund and compare it with PGIM India flexicap fund and see who should invest in which fund. So stay tuned to my channel. To watch my earlier videos, do click the attached cards. Thank you.